Hello again, friends! Today we're going to do another read aloud. This time we're going to read The Flea's Sneeze, one of my favorite books, and I love story time, so I'm really excited to read this with you guys today. On a dark, dark night on an old, old farm, in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anyone have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then, suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the rat, who hissed maroo! Maroo, boo-hoo! It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo-moo! It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, who flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dowl, who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed ew, and it reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes he had even closed. He began to doze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night, on the old, old farm, in the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, and the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I've got a sneeze. The end. Okay, so this is the activity that we're going to do with the book that we just got done reading, The Flea's Sneeze. So I want you to find this page. I sent it home. It's also in an email to Mom and Dad. And what you're going to do is cut out all these little squares at the bottom and glue them under which category they should go under. So some of them are farm animals and some of them are zoo animals. In the book that we read, The Flea's Sneeze, it was mostly farm animals, so that can give you some good hints on which ones are going to go on the farm side. And then think about what animals you would see at the zoo to go on this side. And show me and all of your friends that you have sorted your farm and your zoo animals. All right, go guys!